Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to promote Getresponse affiliate link. Becoming an affiliate can definitely be a good way to make some passive income online, and Getresponse is one of the best email marketing platform around. So the first thing you will need to do is sign up to Getresponse. After you have signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once you have signed up, all you'll need to do is go down to the bottom right hand corner, right where you see go to affiliate account. Once you have tapped on go to affiliate account, you will be redirected to this page, and from here you'll be able to get your affiliate link on which you'll be able to start promoting and hopefully start making some money online. So all you will need to do once you are signed up, you are going to see the option recurring program link, and you could tap on copy link or you could create your own link. Now that you have gotten your affiliate link, the next step will be how to promote your link. There are two ways you can do this. The first option is you could create a blog. So if you like writing, you could create a blog, or you can use AI platforms, for example like Bard or ChatGPT, to create different blog content that you can use. But the option that I recommend and that I will be looking at in this example is YouTube. And the reason why I would recommend YouTube as the tool that you'll be using to promote your affiliate link is, one, with YouTube you will be easier to rank compared to creating an article. Because think about it, once you have created an article, you're going to have to release the article. Once you release the article, you're going to have to wait until Google crawls your website. Then you're going to have to wait until that page ranks, and numerous different obstacles will pop up. And you also have to think about hosting for the website. You have to think about purchasing a domain name and all of that. Compared to a YouTube channel, which I assume that you already have since you're watching this video, all you have to do is simply start creating videos about Getresponse or about email marketing. You don't have to spend any money out your pocket. You don't have to worry about any money out your pocket, as all you'll be using is simply a screen recording to do your videos. And you can do voice-over videos just like this. You can use your iPhone or Android device to record your voice, and then you can use these different screen recorder softwares. OBS Studio is definitely a popular one. So all you will need to do is download OBS Studio, or you can download any one of these popular screen recorders, but OBS Studio tends to be a popular one and it is completely free. Once you have downloaded it, all you'll need to do is go on to Getresponse and you can do different videos. For example, how to create a newsletter, how to create a pop-up, or how to create a landing page. And all you'll need to do is place your affiliate link in the description, and eventually persons will go onto your video, watch your video, find it informative, and then from there they will click on your affiliate link, and hopefully eventually you will start making some sales. And the thing about YouTube is, once you create a video, it may be slow at first, but eventually once that video ranks, eventually you will start making some more clicks, and then you can even get your YouTube channel monetized if it hasn't been monetized already. So not only will you be able to get paid through the Getresponse affiliate program, but you will also be able to get paid through YouTube. Now, to come up with different video ideas or keywords, all you will need to do is go into the search bar right here, and you could type in Getresponse. Once you have typed in Getresponse, you can see different keywords right here. So in fact, you could create an entire YouTube channel around Getresponse or email marketing, and you'll simply focus only on Getresponse and different email marketing platforms. And once you have done that, in the description you could put in a link referring to Getresponse by saying this is my recommended email marketing, or this is the best email marketing platform around. Another way how you could also get some keywords for your videos is by simply tapping right in front Getresponse, and you could type in how to, as you can see right here. Then you can see numerous keywords again that you could come up with, as you can see right here. And what I would recommend you do, you can do videos on all of these different keywords right here. And I am certain that with these different videos, you'll definitely be able to start making some money online through their affiliate program. And once numerous videos start ranking, you will definitely get your YouTube channel monetized if it hasn't been monetized already. And you'll be able to not only get paid through Getresponse, but you will also be able to get paid through the YouTube partner program or through AdSense. And you can also sign up to other email marketing platforms, as there are quite a few. So for example, if I were to type in email marketing right here, let me do that real quick. You can see different keywords that you could target. So you can see right here. So you could simply type in how to, then you can put in any letter before it, as you can see right here. And you could create videos on these different topics again. And all you'll need to do is put your Getresponse affiliate link in the description. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And if you still need help on how to create these videos, you can use different AI platforms to do that. So for example, you could go onto ChatGPT, and from there you could type in a prompt how to use Getresponse or different Getresponse topics, and you will get different ideas. But the AI platform that I recommend at the moment is not the most popular, but I would recommend that you use Bard. And the reason why I recommend Bard is because Bard is up to date and it was also created by YouTube. As with ChatGPT, I think the latest update that they have is up to 2021. Meanwhile, Bard is up to date frequently, so I think it is up to date probably by a week or probably by a day older. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.